Your wall is probably covered in sticky notes and old paper calendars that you forgot to flip 3 months ago. And honestly, it is making your kitchen look like a chaotic mess. We are living in the future, yet we still struggle to track a simple dentist appointment without losing our minds. You could fix this with a smart display, but choosing the right one feels like a part-time job itself. Take the cloud-based dashboard approach, which is basically the middle ground for most families. It looks beautiful. You get your news, your local weather, and your schedule all dancing on one screen. You can use a screen you already own, or buy their specific hardware. The setup is a breeze. Just drag and drop your widgets until it looks perfect. But there is a catch, a recurring one. To get the features that actually matter, you are looking at a monthly subscription fee. It might only be $5 or $8, but that is yet another tiny drain on your bank account every month. Then you have the absolute polar opposite, the DIY dream known as the MagicMirror. This is not for the faint of heart, or anyone who breaks out in a sweat at the sight of a command prompt. You have to build it yourself using a tiny hobbyist computer and a bit of elbow grease. You are editing files, you are installing custom modules, and you are basically becoming a software engineer for your hallway. The payoff is incredible, though, because it is completely free of subscriptions. You can customize every single pixel. You can see your blood sugar levels alongside the current price of digital currencies, or see when your favorite band is playing next. It is all black and white, sleek, and very high-tech. It was designed to sit behind an actual mirror, which makes it look like something out of a science fiction movie. It is the ultimate conversation piece, provided you have the patience to keep it running. Finally, there is the luxury route, the dedicated touchscreen that just works. This is for the parent who has zero interest in coding and just wants the chaos to stop. It is a physical piece of hardware, a sleek screen you hang up, plug in, and immediately start using. Everyone in the house can just walk up and touch it. The kids can check their chores, earning little digital stars for a job well done. It is intuitive, it is pretty, but it is very pricey. You are dropping hundreds of dollars up front for the smaller version, and even more for the massive wall-sized display. And even after you spend all that cash, they still want a yearly fee for things like meal planning or showing off your vacation photos. It is the gold standard for ease of use, but your wallet will definitely feel a sting. Choosing between them is a trade-off between your time, your technical skills, and your bank balance. If you love to tinker, the mirror is your best friend. If you want a balance of cost and ease, the cloud dashboard is the way to go. But if you just want to buy back your sanity without lifting a finger, you pay the premium for the touchscreen and call it a day. Because sometimes, peace of mind is worth every cent.